back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a very different video. This is one of the most requested videos on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. People have asked me to make this video a lot of times. I think probably since I started YouTube. And
basically.
हाँ, like मैं मम्मी की ले लो. Basically ये वीडियो का नाम वो होना चाहिए, but it's asking awkward questions to my mom, which is gonna be fun because it's something she is very weird to answer on a camera. Like she can talk to me about it, but she will never answer it on camera. I think I saw Alia Kashyap's video where she does that with her dad, and I can't really do it with my dad, so I'm doing it with my mom. Let's just start. What are your thoughts on the LGBTQ plus community? This is very many people have asked this.
I think my recent post on Instagram, whoever is following me, answers that because I have clearly supported it, because I feel love comes in all forms and you cannot judge anybody for loving anyone. And there are many people out there in the world which I truly feel are homo, bi, but still they have not come out. There are still, I'm sure about it.
Because like they're scared, which shouldn't actually be the case. Did you watch porn or anything when you were at my age?
No.
Never even thought about it?
100% sure.
Why not?
Didn't know only that porn existed. Didn't know only. To be very frank, so when on TV there used to be kissing scene. Like I remember, I think when I was your age at that time, Titanic was released. I was 16 or 17 when Titanic was released, and so there was that scene, and I think वैसे भी TV पे cut करके आता था, but whatever it was, my father or whoever was to be in the room, they would say go out, or they would change the channel. I've not even seen a kissing scene.
Did you like what age? Like you went for a movie with your friends or something?
No, basically it's a funny story. Basically, I went for a movie with my dad itself. The movie was Raja Hindustan, and in that, there's the first smooch scene on, I think, on a in the movie, which is Karishma Kapoor kissing Amir Khan. And that was the first scene, and I went with my dad because after my results, every year my dad used to take me to watch a movie. So we would take my results, and that scene was there. So I saw it actually with my dad because he always insisted not showing me the kissing scene. So it happened. What you denied. So it attracted his wife.
What do you think is the perfect age to use your V-card?
For that, it's going to be a long answer. Please bear with me. And I think all of you know that though I'm very open, whatever it is, I am a very spiritual person. So for me, using your V-card, it's your personal choice. Whatever age, whatever time you want to use it. I have a very deep thing which I have read in some spiritual book, and it clearly states that when you are bound, or when you are so much deeply involved with someone, I don't want to name the word, so your karma is attached with that person. So that karma is going to be with you for the next at least 12 years. This is what I have read in a spiritual book. I don't want to name the Veda or where I have read it. So whenever you're doing, wherever you're doing, whatever you want to do it, please be very sure that that guy or that girl is a long term, is going to be there with you for whole life, because then only you want your karma to be attached, because otherwise तुम उनके कर्म भुगतोगे, वो तुम्हारे भुगतेंगे, and it's not good for either of us. See, I have a very मतलब ये मेरा belief है. I am not saying कि 100% truth है. मेरा belief है, जैसे abroad आजकल के बच्चे, even like you people or whoever is watching younger than Gauri say, they feel that it's very cool. Like other day God was telling me that a 14-year-old gave birth to the baby and the parents are so supportive and all those things. See, and I think the culture is like you can do it at any age and anybody. But if you see, go and check the people there, the maximum
are
depressed, and you know the maximum level of dirt in their life. If you see, it's not I'm saying just because of this sexuality or something. Like उनकी लाइफ में कुछ भी वो नहीं है. जब वो इंडिया आते हैं और कुछ भी स्पिरिचुअल करते हैं तो उनको इतना अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि उनको ये सब पता ही नहीं है कि कितना डीपली दे आर बोर्न इनटू शिट बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग ओपन अबाउट एवरीथिंग, स्पेशली
honestly I don't feel sex is the only reason. I feel there are a lot of other things which include like sometimes I don't know if this is 100% true. Like there are a lot of people who just play games, not just in abroad, in India too. Like date and like just cheat,
yes,
do everything and leave.
Yes,
I feel that's very wrong, and you shouldn't allow anybody near your body. And you know, you should always, for girls especially, it also happens to boys.
And boys, there's no difference between
no, but it mostly happens to girls.
ऐसा नहीं है.
It's a percentage this thing. Boys में भी होता है. I have checked stats. Mostly happens with girls. Happens with boys too. I feel everybody should carry a pepper spray or alarm. There are pocket alarms that come nowadays.
Public places.
You should always have a pepper spray in your bag, or something like a knife or pocket knife, something like that you should have in your bag, that for your own safety. If somebody is trying to force yourself,
and you should learn self-defense. I really wish that in every school or in every society there should be someone who comes and teach girls and boys both, especially girls. I would say it's needed because boys are still involved in some way or the other in activities like which build their strength. Girls should be.
But girls,
like, I wish for it.
In my first school, you know, it was compulsory.
Yes,
I was in Pinnacle, I remember, and it was compulsory. Self-defense was a class that was compulsory. You cannot quit till you're in 10th. If somebody comes up to you and tells you that Gauri has smoked or like weed, had like smoked a joint or cigarettes or a vape, anything, what would
be? To be very frank, I would say Gauri will make her own choices, but till now I know that she hates all those things. Okay? And like with peer pressure and going out, because she'll be going out, she'll be meeting people. So if one day she's done it, and I think वो ऐसा मौका ही नहीं आएगा कि कोई और मुझे आके बताए. Herself will come and tell me that this is what I've done, and she knows it very well that when she comes out truthfully to me, I have no regrets because I feel everybody makes mistakes. I have not. Luckily, because I used to hate it more than her. Like I have made my dad and smoking good.
No, I don't hate drinking. Drinking also, I don't drink. But
I used to drink. I hate drinking too much.
Like properly.
Yes, I always want to marry a guy who doesn't smoke, who doesn't drink.
They want me to ask this question. What if you see a hickey on my neck? She would really prefer not answering that. Everybody wants to know, what if you see a hickey on your child?
This will be.
No, but like a hickey is nothing. It's like kind of just a kiss.
It's nothing.
No, if compared to like anything else, it's just a kiss on the neck. According to me. Like she will try and hide it from my grandmom and like my dad, but I don't think he'll say much. Like he'll just be like, your choice. She's more of that person, your choice. I have one question. What advice would you like to give them as a parent?
See, to be very frank, I think all parents know best for their kids. They know very best for their kids. It's not an advice. I would just be happy seeing that all kids are friends with their parents. Because see, to be very frank, मुझे भी बहुत बुरा लगता है because I'm also a parent. तो मुझे बुरा लगता है कि हमने तो अपने माँ बाप की सुनी, ठीक है, पहले अपने माँ बाप की सुनी और अब अपने बच्चों की सुन रहे हैं, तो हमारे बच्चे हमारी नहीं सुनने वाले. So this is the situation. But still, I feel that's the demand of this time, this particular age where everything is so open. Kids know so much more than I could have known when I was, even when I got married, I would say. Like after marriage, I came to know so many things because I got married at a very early age. So I think everybody, please be friendly, please be very open and cool, and I'm sure your kids love you and they are always going to do right things. Trust your upbringing. That's what I would like to say.
But I would say कि अगर तुम अपने parents से मतलब if your parents are strict, they don't want you to do certain things. It is for the best. Of course, it's for the best. They don't want you to do like something like really bad. But I would also say, don't get your children to a stage where they have to hide things from you. I would always say, because I have friends who hide things from their parents, who hide a lot of stuff from their parents, just because they are scared of like telling stuff. Like mom said about the LGBT, people are scared to come out just because they like a different gender. I think this, I personally feel parents should be more open than strict. Love marriage or arranged? Like what would you want me to have?
Whichever you like. Arranged marriage also, I would surely want you to meet that guy for at least 2-3 months and then decide if you want to go ahead with that or not. So it will be actually love come arranged, whatever you see.
I would probably prefer love, because knowing the person for a year, their habits, their day-to-day life is easier.
I don't agree, okay? I don't agree.
Why?
You can be knowing a person for 7 to 8 years, but when you live with that person, life totally changes, okay? So unless and until you live with that person, you don't know how he or she is. I can write it on a paper, you can confirm it with anyone in your family, anyone who is married. So if you say, I'm very much in favor of
Love, arranged.
live-ins.
Yeah, even I feel live-ins are better because
See, it's not like forever you just stay and live in and don't get married.
Yeah.
No, you have to be committed to this. But once maybe you decided that this is
it's
the
up
person
to
I
you.
want to
Because
marry.
live-ins are legal in
It's
India.
like if you decide that, okay, fine, I want to marry this person.
Then you should live with that person for knowing how that person
I'm very much
has
impressed by the
this.
movie if you guys have seen Salam. It's a very cute movie.
Your views on masturbating, watching porn?
Personal choice. We should actually teach children
Sex education.
sex education, and especially the option of masturbation. So I think that in that way you are actually reducing their urge to do sex,
Yeah.
involved with someone
Basically,
sexually.
you know,
And
sometimes people
even
just
boys
don't know.
or I think rapes will reduce if that
Yeah.
happens,
Yeah.
or whatever the sexual abuse thing is happening around. Like I'm not saying it happens only with girls, even with boys it happens. So
Happens
that
with
will
everybody,
reduce
basically.
if we could part this knowledge with all straight. All
Like
age
there are
groups.
schools-
starting from I think starting from
the 13 is the
13,
age girls and boys are more
Puberty,
eager to.
puberty.
When you hit puberty is the time you're more eager to know about your body.
Yes.
Ki what's happening. They teach us everything so dar ki na. Even in school they teach us about our private parts so like, okay, this is this and they just skip to the part where there are no private parts involved.